You search for how to buy shares of BorgWarner Inc., a global automotive supplier listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BWA. This video explains the practical steps to locate and buy that stock. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BWA to find the listing for BorgWarner Inc. Select the result that shows BorgWarner on NASDAQ to open the correct stock page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance and confirm this is the right BorgWarner listing. Take a moment to verify the ticker BWA and the exchange. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details, including fees and order type, before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can complete the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for a helpful link to the broker mentioned.